Acha students, next topic is Pakistan and Turkey. We all know that Turkey is not there in the long question, so we will be covering Turkey from the book. Now, once in 1914 to 1918, the First World War was going on. Subcontinent Muslims all took the side of Ottoman Empire. Their hearts were with the Ottoman Empire, as Ottoman Empire had Khanai Kaaba and the care of Masjid Nabawi also. In the Khilafat movement, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar and Maulana Shaukat Ali took great participation for the independence of the Ottoman Empire. Afterwards, once Turkey was made independent and the Khilafat was discontinued, the Muslims of subcontinent had deep sympathies for the Turkish Muslims. They made speeches all over subcontinent, and those speeches were translated and sent to Turkey for the high morale of the Turkish soldiers. So once Pakistan came into being, Turkey immediately recognized Pakistan as an independent country and extended full support for Kashmir issue. Turkey also supplied us with arms and ammunition in the 1965 war. Turkish president also visited Pakistan in 1966, and Pakistan thanked them for the support in the war. As Turkey had been a very rich country, even once they could not take taxes on the sea transport, as well as they could not dig any minerals because of some treaties in the 1920s. Even then, Turkey was more established than Pakistan. So Turkey, Pakistan and Iran generated a cooperation in the regional development with the name RCD in 1964 July. In this pact, Turkey and Iran supported help to Pakistan in great fields of economy and development. This organization kept itself active till 1985. This organization was halted in 1979 because of the revolution in Iran, and afterwards in 1985 it was reorganized with the name ECO, Economic Cooperation Organization, and afterwards in 1990s more countries were added to it, and now there are more than 10 countries in ECO after the independence of the Muslim states of the Central Asia. Turkey has been rendering us with the economic and financial support. Students, it is very important that Turkey has always been giving us loans as well as money for the development of different activities on very easy installments. There have been many joint programs for the dealing of different activities also. Pakistan and Turkey greatly realize the importance of culture for a nation. So there have been exchange programs in the cultural activities also. The programs of Turkey are being shown in Pakistan, and Pakistani programs are being shown in Turkey also. 1 minute please, beta. Next is military relations are also between Turkey and Pakistan very strong. Leaders keep on exchanging visits. Due to the dialogue between the two countries, ministerial commissions of Pakistan and Turkey, different agreements were signed in 2002 in Islamabad. In the earthquake of Pakistan 2005, Turkey gave us support in Azad Kashmir and aided Pakistan open-heartedly. In 2013, Turkey cooperated to inaugurate Lahore metro bus service, जो कि आज भी लाहौर में मेट्रो बस सर्विस जो पहली वाली शुरू की गई थी उसमें टर्की ने बहुत ज़्यादा हमें सपोर्ट किया। 2013 में प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान ने टर्की विज़िट किया और दोनों कंट्रीज़ ने बहुत सारे ऐसे इश्यूज़ जो बायलैटरल इंटरेस्ट के थे उनको डिस्कस किया और उनको साइन किया। आज भी टर्की और पाकिस्तान की रिलेशंस जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा डीप हैं और हर फील्ड ऑफ लाइफ, एग्रीकल्चर, ट्रांसपोर्ट, ऑटोमोबाइल, कंस्ट्रक्शन, कम्युनिकेशन में हम एक दूसरे के साथ सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। और इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेशन टर्की की हमारे साथ है, क्योंकि टर्की इज़ अ रिच कंट्री एज़ कम्पेयर टू पाकिस्तान।